Hi, Jason here from TGN. Alright, so for today's unboxing, we are having the Synology RS1221 Plus. Alright, and besides the NAS itself that we'll be unboxing, for this series of videos, we will actually be conducting also some parts of installation. So that's to say that the following video, we may have an installation of the add-on card, okay, onto the RS1221 Plus, because the RS1221 Plus doesn't have any M.2 slots for caching. It depends on an add-on card for the SSD caching. And besides that, we may have another video which basically showcases us installing a hard drive inside the RS1221 Plus. Okay, and you can see here beside me, I have the rail kit. So we may have some videos subsequently with regards to this particular model of RS1221 Plus. Okay, so let's move on to the unboxing of the unit itself. All right, so it's a 2U RackStation. Okay, and we can see here as I'm doing the unboxing. Okay, let me remove the unit out from the box. Okay, now before we do that, let's make sure I have enough space to remove the unit. Okay, as mentioned earlier, it's a 2U. Okay, and inside here we have the accessories. Okay, it comes with a standard C13. Okay, it comes with a standard C13 cable. All right, and it's an L-shaped cable. Okay, followed by, on top of that, it comes also with an additional C13 and C14 cable for you to connect to a UPS. Okay, this particular model doesn't have the RP, so it doesn't have redundant power. Okay, and it has the keys, and of course the screws, be it that is 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch, and the quick user guide. Okay, so that's the normal stuff. All right, let me remove the unit out from the box itself, and let's see what we have. Okay, it's pretty sturdy and heavy. Okay, for this particular unit, Synology has decided to go with the AMD CPU. Okay, and the RAM memory for this particular unit, it allows you to upgrade up to 32 GB. Okay, which is an additional on top of what was in the previous model. Okay, let me remove this box here. Okay, so we have the actual unit here. Let me see, where's the seal? Okay, the seal is here. Let's remove from the plastic and let's see what we have. Okay. So let's take a look at the front. Okay. So you have your power LED light, your reset button, and also of course your power button. Okay. And it basically has 8 bays. Okay. And it has the standard metal rack where you can remove the racks. Okay. The keys for the. Alright, let's take a look at the back. Okay, we will have another video as to how we're going to install the add-on card here. Okay, which we will have it later. So you have 4 1 gig NIC ports. Okay, and 2 USB ports, and this is for the eSATA for the expansion bay, where you can add on another RX 4 series to increase it up to 12 bays. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, this particular unit, you may have to add on the SSD for the add-on for the Ssd caching. Okay, and the next complementary accessory that you may have is to add on a VS360 if you are using it for video surveillance. Okay, so if you are using it for video surveillance, the VS360 HD is a good companion where you can monitor all your live feeds, all right, from all your surveillance cameras. All right. So with that, let me conclude the video for today for the unboxing of the RS1221 Plus. If you like the video, please remember to click like and do subscribe to our channel. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comments. We will definitely give you a reply. Thank you very much.